Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's topic in learning Arabic language is from Holy Quran, first Surah, Surah Al-Fatihah. We will learn about words with translation English and Urdu. Bismi, in the name. Bism, in the name. Allah, God. Allah, God, the master of the universe. Allah, God. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahman, most gracious. Ar-Rahman, most gracious. Ar-Rahim, Ar-Rahim, merciful. रहम करने वाला. Ar-Rahim, merciful. रहम करने वाला. Alhamd, Alhamd, the praise. Alhamd, the praise. Lillah, for God. Lillah, for God. Allah के लिए. Lillah, for God. Allah के लिए. Rabbi, Lord. Rabb, Lord. Rabb, Lord. Malik. Al-Alameen, the universe, the whole universe. पूरी दुनिया, पूरी कायनात. Al-Alameen. Ar-Rahman, most gracious. मेहरबान, most gracious. बड़ा मेहरबान. Ar-Rahman. Ar-Rahim, merciful. Ar-Rahim, merciful. बहुत रहम करने वाला. Ar-Rahim, merciful. Maliki, master. Maliki, master. Maliki, master. Yawmi, day. Yawm, day. Yawm, day. Yawm, day. Din, rose. Ad-Din, the judgment. Ad-Din, the judgment. Ad-Din, the judgment. Iyaka, you alone. Iyaka, you alone. Iyaka, you alone. Iyaka, you alone. Na'budu, we worship. Na'budu, we worship. नअबुदु, we worship, हम इबादत करते हैं. वा and, वा and, वाव and, और, वाव and, और. Iyaka, you alone. Iyaka, you alone means God. Iyaka, you alone means God. Nasta'een, we ask for help. Nasta'een, we ask for help. हम तेरी मदद चाहते हैं. We ask for help. Nasta'een. Ihdina, guide us. Ihdina, guide us. हमें हिदायत दे. Ihdina, guide us. Ihdina, guide us. As-sirat, the path. As-sirat, the path. Rasta, as-sirat, the path. Rasta. Al-mustaqim, al-mustaqim, the straight. Al-mustaqim, the straight, सीधा. Wow and our. Wow and our. As-sirat, the path. As-sirat, the path. Rasta. As-sirat, the path. Rasta. Allazina, those people. Allazina, those people. allazina, those people, an'amta, you have bestowed favor, an'amta, you have bestowed favor, alayhim, on them, alayhim, on them, in Urdu, un par, alayhim, on them, un par, ghayro, ghayro, not, नहीं गैरा not नहीं अलावा गैरा not al-maghlub those who earned wrath al-maghlub those who earned wrath al-maghlub those who earned wrath alayhim on themselves alayhim on themselves alayhim on themselves wala and not wala and not wala and not at-talin those who go astray at-talin those who go astray वो जो भटक गए